What are NFTs? NFTs means non-fungible token. Uh, Non-fungible tokens are a digital cryptographic tokens on the blockchain representing a unique item. We can say these are digital assets in a game or a collectible piece of crypto art. So a non-fungible token is a digital cryptographic token on the blockchain representing a unique item. And NFT has many use cases. It could be a digital asset in a game, a collectible piece of crypto art, or even a real world object like real estate. NFT have solved the long standing issue of creating decentralized digital collectibility and ownership in a copy paste world. And an NFT is non fungible. It's non fungible. It means this property means each token is unique and cannot be swayed identically for another token ever. You can trade one Bitcoin for another one Bitcoin equal in every single way within NFT. This is impossible. This is impossible. Even with NFT are released in a series with multiple versions. In this case, each NFT's metadata will differ, just like you would have in a numbered series of prints. So NFTs are tangible, fungible tokens, and is a digital cryptographic tokens on blockchain representing a unique item. And NFT has many use cases, like it could be a digital asset, a collectible piece of crypto art, or even a real world object like real estate, digital property, we can say. NFTs have solved the long standing issue of creating decentralized digital collectibility and ownership in a copy paste world. So we can say in this case, each NFT's metadata will differ, just like you would have in a numbered series of prints. How do NFT games work? NFT games are different from just holding crypto collectible in your wallet. An NFT game will use NFTs in its rules, mechanism, and player interaction. For example, a game could represent your unique character or avatar as an NFT, non-fungible token. Digital items you find while playing the game could also be NFTs. It can it can be a digital items like digital assets, we can say. You can then swap or trade your NFTs with other players for profit. A newer player to a newer play to earn model also allow you to generate income from NFT games, which we'll discuss more later. How do you take NFTs and technically implement them into a game environment? To swap, create and implement NFTs within a game, developers create smart contracts that make up the rules for NFTs used. Smart contracts are self-executing piece of code stored in a blockchain. Now, what is blockchain? Now we will talk about the blockchain. Uh, Blockchain is actually a special type of database. You may also have heard the term distributed ledger technology. In many cases, they are referring to the same thing. Blockchain has many unique properties. There are rules about how data can be added. Once the data has been stored, it's virtually impossible to modify or delete it. Nobody can copy paste it. Data is added over in structure called blocks. Each block is built on top of the last, includes a piece of information that links back to the previous one. By looking at the most up-to-date block, we can check that it has been created after the last. So if we continue all the way the chain, we will reach our very first block, known as Genesis block. So blockchain is actually a special type of database. You may also have heard the term distributed ledger technology, or DLT. In many cases, they are referring to the same thing. So a blockchain has a unique property. It's very unique. There are rules about how data can be added. Once the data has been stored, it's virtually impossible for anyone to modify it or delete it. So now we will come back to the NFT. So NFTs are digital assets in the metaverse. You can buy it, you can sell it by using the cryptocurrencies. So you can buy digital things, digital items like you can buy real estate. You can buy paintings. You can buy audio, video, or many statues, digital statues. So NFT, we can do this in many games right now. So we'll come back to the introduction. From the beginning and introduction to NFT. From the beginning with the crypto kitties craze, NFT games have developed and begun to offer play to earn model. GameFi, as it's become known, mixes the world of finance and gaming, providing players opportunities to earn income as they play. You can play the game and earn your income. You no longer need to only rely on winning, finding, or breeding a scarce collectible worth thousands of dollars. Players can now choose the experiment with multiple gaming models in various themes aside from collectible animals. So, NFTs are unique digital collectibles on the blockchain. If you want to understand, learn the NFTs, what is NFT? First, you will have to understand what is blockchain. Blockchain. This feature makes them suitable to use in games as representation as character, consumable, and other tradable items. So NFT games have become popular in the GameFi world as a way to earn income. Now NFT people are earning millions of dollars in the through NFTs. People are buying real estate property. So first you will have to understand what is NFT. NFT is a non-fungible tokens. Non-fungible tokens. NFT is a digital cryptographic token on the blockchain representing a unique item. And NFT has many use cases. It could be a digital asset in a game, a collectible piece of crypto art, or even a real world object like real estate, property, or any the buildings, the paintings, even videos, audios. These are digital items are called non-fungible token, and these are nobody can modify it or delete it. These are secured and it's very decentralized digital collectibility. So that is the main concept of NFT, non-fungible tokens. That's it. Thank you very much.